Hi, I'm Gat Caperton. I'm the CEO of Gat Creek. We're an American manufacturer of solid wood furniture based in Berkeley Springs, West Virginia. The 125 of us here at Gat Creek take great pride in what we manufacture and how we manufacture it. We take a truly holistic and sustainable approach to what we do, and we strive every day to get better. At Gat Creek, we have never simply offered a sustainable product or a sustainable product line. Instead, our entire operation is about sustainability. We disagree with the widely held belief that sustainability is expensive. We believe sustainability actually reduces cost. We actually incorporate 5 key elements as we talk about sustainability here at Gat Creek. The first, raw material. Second, energy consumption. Third, waste reduction. Fourth, people in the process. And then fifth, product or the product life cycle. Our key raw material obviously is solid wood. Throughout the Appalachian regions, timber is managed to really the highest standards in the world, not only allowing there to be more tree mass or tree growth year over year, but also in a manner that maintains biodiversity throughout this region. We're located basically in the middle of the Appalachian forest. This is special to us for a couple reasons. One is it's our backyard. It also allows us to source over 95% of our raw materials from within a 350-mile radius of our facility here today. Energy management breaks into 2 forms. The first is the amount of energy it takes to bring product into our facility, and our local suppliers and local sources for material makes that very easy and very effective for us. The second is how much energy you need to convert those raw materials into finished goods. A biomass boiler, which takes all of our scrap wood and turns into heat. This boilers allow us to replace an underground oil tank and essentially eliminate all our usage of oil. It's also cut our uses of propane down by over 40%. Our waste minimization efforts start with monitoring 100% of our waste streams. We want to know not only what comes into our factory, but exactly what goes out of our factory. Looking for opportunities to reduce every place we can, from air emissions to solid waste emissions to the water that rolls off the roof of our building. For air emissions, these efforts have allowed us to reduce our VOCs by over 40%. Our HAPs, our hazard air pollution, by over 90%. Operating in a rural community at the headwaters of the Potomac River creates special responsibilities for us, which we take very seriously. Today we have a stormwater management system that is so innovative that it is now exempt from annual state monitoring. We have our own wastewater treatment plant today that exceeds all the federal regulations. We've recently received an award from the Business from the Bay Foundation for our work upstream along the Potomac River to protect not only our environment, but those who live downriver from us. Social equity begins with the people here in the factory. It's critical to us to have a great place for people to work, not just having good wages, having outstanding safety, and good health care. Product life cycle is the 5th tenet in our sustainability efforts, and in many ways it's the easiest. We build a solid wood piece of furniture. That piece of furniture starts as a tree that's grown for roughly a century, capturing carbon, providing shade. We build solid wood furniture that should have a life of its own of another century. And when it does come to the end of its useful life, return to a state that is as natural and uncompromised as from which it began. I'll borrow a phrase that is somewhat ironic, but I've always loved the term, always add to the log pile. Today we like to do our work in a craft and to go home at the end of the night knowing there's actually more trees going to be around next year from our work this past year.